Okay guys, so in this video I am going to be doing a review on the wig and weave detox by Better Than Shampoo. I'm going to be cleaning or detoxing this wig. It's been sitting in my trunk for a while and I just figured, okay, why not, and get this clean. So the instructions say to make sure that the hair is detangled before using, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. It do suggest that you use about a third of the bottle, but I think because my wig was not long, this is only 14 inches, I probably didn't even need that much. So I went ahead and detangled my wig and make sure there were no tangles in it. Okay guys, so once I do that, it says to put the hair inside of a bowl or a large container, and it also suggests that you drizzle the hair, drizzle the detox in a back and forth motion over the extension. So that's what I'll be doing. It says to use a third of the bottle, but like I said before, because my wig was not like long, it's like a very short wig, I honestly don't think I needed that much, but I went ahead and followed the instructions. So now I'm just going to let this sit for 15 minutes and come back. Alright guys, so this is after 15 minutes. I let my wig sit, and from the looks of it, it doesn't really, the water still looks pretty clear, but I'm going to go ahead and, dump it out in the sink so that I can get a better look at it. I haven't really worn this wig that many times, and I have washed it and stuff before, and I got it clean, so let's just see how this comes out. Wow, like, oh my god. I cannot believe all this stuff came off my wig, y'all. Like, do y'all see this? Like, do y'all see this? Like, and the whole time I'm thinking my wig has been cleaned, because I have cleaned it, like, a couple of times, and clearly it wasn't as clean as I thought it was, y'all. This detox is amazing. Like, I can't believe all of this stuff came off my wig, and I didn't have to scrub, I didn't have to wash. I literally set it in this detox with some water and waited 15 minutes, y'all. Just like, look at this, like, it's crazy. Okay, so now once it's done detoxing, you want to go ahead and rinse it until it is clear. That's what the instructions say, and I did follow up with the conditioner and air dried. I did use my Better Than Shampoo, I used my Better Than Shampoo conditioner as well, and this is what it looks like once after being conditioned.